What's up, guys? Right here we have the 6-pack of edible luster dust glitter. This is going to be a edible glitter you put in like drinks and stuff. So right here comes pink, gold, silver, blue, green, and rainbow. I just got a cup of water and put the glitter. This is gonna be the gold one in a glass of water just to show you guys what it looks like. It's very nice. It's very sparkly. There's no residue that you would taste in your mouth. I've had this several times. I put this in like dirty sodas and whatnot. This is a very, very nice edible glitter. There's no like taste in your mouth that it leaves, nothing. It's just specifically color and sparkle. As you can see, it's really cool. It glistens in the light. It's very nice. I absolutely love the gold color, as you can see here. But if you guys are looking to get an edible glitter, this is a very nice edible glitter to get your hands on. It doesn't leave any taste in your mouth. There's no like chalky taste in your mouth after it. You don't taste any like things in your mouth. Like there's nothing. It just adds color and glitter. So if you guys want to check this out, I would highly recommend it. Thank you for watching.